Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.